Hi guys, my name is Princess Brooke. I'm going to be teaching you how to make this stunning mini high-low dress. The first thing you're going to be doing is to make the front piece. So you're going to fold it in 180 degree, or you can call it triangle. So you're going to make it your desired length. So the next thing you're going to be doing is the width of the neck. You can make it 12 as mile. You can make it 12, 13, 14. You can even make it lesser. It depends on you. So the next thing is the back piece. We're going to fold the back piece into 360 degree. So the length is going to be 70. So we're going to be take 70 round, and the width is going to be 6, and you're going to take the 6 round. So the next thing you're going to be doing is to cross-check the measurement to see if it's actually what you want. So now you proceed to cutting. Make sure it goes round. Everything, let the 17 go round the circle. You can see it's 360 degree. The next thing is going to cut, you cut the width. So that's what we're doing now. You cut it off. Yeah, so you can see that. So you go down, you cut the length too. So this is the back. Don't forget, this is the back. So the back is not going to be the same length with the front because it's called high-low. So this is how you're going to do it. And don't forget, you can make your own. The two can be 180, 180. So I want mine to be extra at the back. That's why I made it 360. You get what I mean? So it's not necessary you make it 360 like mine. You can make the two 180, 180. You get what I mean? So that's what we're doing now. So the next is, I'm trying to place it on the table for you to see everything. This is the back piece and this is the front piece. So the back piece now, I'm going to open one part of it. You know, we have two block areas. So I'm going to open one of the block area because that's where the elastic is going to go through. Yeah. So the next thing we're going to do now is the loop of the neck. So you're going to make it 2 inches. You can make it 1 inch. You can make it 1.5 inches. It depends on what you're doing. So everything is optional. You can do it your own way. But this is my way. So now I'm cutting out the rope or loop, whatever. So now this is the down part, the width. So I'm attaching elastic to the width of the back. So I like it this way. Some people do it and pull it afterward, but I pull it when I'm making it. So when I'm done, then I'll just drag everything together. See it here? So I'm done in this place. So everything is together. This is the width of the back, the down part. And now I'm taping round the down part of the fabric. So now this is the, I'm done taping round. So now this is the loop I created. So now I'm going to put the loop inside and fold it all the way around. I mean the width of the neck. Yeah, you can see what I'm doing. You can also do it before attaching the loop, but like I said, I like doing everything from start and just drag it at the end. So look at it. This is the neck. This is the, that's the neck. So this is the finishing. I'm done here. So now I'm attaching the back and the front together. So don't forget, you attach from the down part. So you join the front and the back together just like that. And pim, this is the finishing. You can see, very simple, doesn't waste time, very simple and cute. You can see the, so let me know if you're gonna try the same thing, and don't forget to follow